Hi, this is Howard from Crazy Tech, and I'm going to be talking about my new Etsy t-shirt store. And this is your first Etsy t-shirt store made easy. So as you may know, if you've been following my crazy channel, I've been covering some of the AI applications that have been released in December of 2022. I am fascinated and intrigued by the ability to have an AI program like ChatGPT create articles on any subject for you, or even an outline on any topic or computer app, and then offer publishable essays or usable computer programs. I am just amazed at the possibilities, but to be honest, I expected advances in computer science applications, and they've arrived, plus more to come. I've been testing some of the AI graphics generators, and they're even more impressive than the text generators with amazing artistic capabilities. And I'm learning how to master them. In one of my last videos, you may recall my dissertation on how anyone can use these AI applications to start an online business and make a living. Many of the YouTube video creators, including me, are shouting out about making thousands a day using AI. So I'm here to announce that I put my money where my mouth is to proclaim that I am using AI along with other digital art to create graphics for a t-shirt business I opened on Etsy and uploaded a bunch of t-shirt designs. And you can do it too. I've used Midjourney with some amazing results using text prompts that tell the AI engine what I want designed. Some of the art I use is in the public domain, like Diego Rivera fine art prints and Hubble telescope images, and they look really cool when printed. By the way, Midjourney requires a paid subscription to use your creations commercially. And some AI generators don't require being paid, but donations are encouraged and appreciated. Now, I haven't generated sales yet, but it's only been just a week or two since I uploaded my designs. But I'm hopeful I'll make some sales because personally, I think the tees look great. Now, if only my visitors agree, I'll be heading to the bank with tons of sales and working a side business. But to be honest, I'm retired. Now, you may know that you don't have to stock merchandise to sell products because the latest and greatest feature is that you send your orders to companies that print on demand and then ship to your customers. I chose Printify, but several other companies offer similar services like Printful, Spotify, and Redbubble, so there's no need to stock merchandise or ship out your orders. It is so true that you can make thousands a week running this kind of business. No hype for sure. And thousands of creative techie nerds are selling online and making big bucks. It's a brave new world for all. Who would have predicted this? Maybe the computer nerds. It's like science fiction coming true, except no flying cars. That would be crazy, but I bet they're working on it now. How do you use the art? I'm sure many of you were wondering, how can I jump into this technology and use it to start my own AI and digital art business? Well, I'm glad you asked. Or at least I thought I caught some of your thoughts. Maybe I am clairvoyant. So here are some steps to starting your AI digital shop. Number 1, open up an Etsy account. By the way, I'm not affiliated with Etsy, but their platform has lots of features. It's free to open your store, and it's practically free to list your products. Number 2, for AI digital art, subscribe to Midjourney. It's just $10 a month. Number 3, oh yes, buy a fast laptop computer, at least an Intel i5 or i7 if you can afford it. Pick one good for graphics like a gaming system and upgrade the memory to at least 32 gigabytes. Graphic files use lots of memory, and the art needs to be high resolution for printing on a t-shirt. You will also need to sign up for a print-on-demand supplier. I cover that in step 6. Number 4, create some exceptional designs with Midjourney via text prompts and start generating. Once you copy the images, you'll need to upscale the file to 300 dpi and at least 14 by 14 inch to 14 by 16 inch for printing. Note, you will also need to sign up for a Discord account because most of these AI apps use Discord to display and build the images. By the way, if you are unfamiliar with Discord, it's a sophisticated message board and is free to use. Number 5, buy a good photo editor so you can modify and upscale your designs to 300 dpi for clear images on your t-shirts. For upscaling, I use Gigapixel AI from Topaz Labs. It's an AI program that sharpens and increases the size of your file. It will upscale your images to 6x and fast. It does cost $99, but I found it easy to use and I think it sharpens the images better than Photoshop alone. After upscaling, I bring the file into Adobe Photoshop and change the size to 15 inches wide or to the maximum width required and the resolution to 300 dpi. Number 6, you will also need to link a print-on-demand supplier to Etsy, so when you make that sale, Etsy will send the order to the printer and then the printer will ship. Now, Etsy can link to a number of print-on-demand companies, but I did extensive research and I like Printify because of their pricing and quality. Number 7, once you have your photo finalized, you'll log into your print-on-demand supplier, pick the t-shirt or hoodie brand, different brands may vary in quality and price, and then drop your art design into a mock-up shirt and size and reposition the art if required. You will then pick the colors and one or more mock-ups. Etsy allows 10 mock-ups, like a woman and man model to display the shirt. You will also pick the price, and Printify displays the cost and profit for your selection when it sells. Number 8, when you're done with your design, you will click on Publish and the listing will be sent to Etsy and ready to sell. You can charge for shipping, which is about $5 for US shipping, the default, or ship for free. Number 9, if you listed a bunch of great designs, you can just sit back and watch your profits roll in. But you may have to work on marketing, like on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. But I will have to cover that topic in a future video. So good luck t-shirting. If you like my crazy tech videos, please subscribe. The subscribe button is on the right side of the screen. I also have a Facebook page, AI Graphic Designs, and it's also called Digital Art. So stop by and take a look at that channel. Most of the t-shirts are about $22 plus shipping.